Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog. It is Monday and I am headed to take Christian to school. You going to school? Yes. Close the door.
Bye-bye.
Come out of the laundry room. Would you come out of there? Come on. Come on, silly. Anyway, headed to take him to school, and then I'm going on a Goodwill hunt today. So I don't know if you all know, but I sell items on eBay, and sometimes I love to go treasure hunting at the Goodwill because I have found items that I paid, like one item in particular. I found a what's the thing called? Oh my goodness.
That car?
No, what is the thing? It is for the car. A radar. Oh my goodness. I could not think of that. But I found a car radar at the Goodwill. It had like all the parts to it. I paid $6 or $7. I sold it on eBay, y'all, for $180 plus shipping. So almost $200. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm going treasure hunting as soon as I drop them off. Hold on, we got an arm.
Doors and
Away.
windows on. Motions on.
Let's go. Go. Now, another thing I think I'm gonna do today is find me some more plants to go up here. Y'all can see I got some hooks up there where I had some plants previously, and they look so cute, but they died because a lot of sun does hit my porch. But yeah, it looks naked now without plants, so I gotta find some of those too. All right, y'all, just pulled up. Now go into this Goodwill and go treasure hunting. Guys, so anytime I am hunting at the Goodwill, the first area that I go to is the electronics area, because electronics is where I have found my biggest profit from. So this is always the first place that I come, and then after this I go take a look at shoes. Alright guys, I found something. So this is an Infinity Pro Curl Secret hot curler, and it is by Conair. You see it's $4.99, and this thing looks pretty much like brand new. So let me tell you how I determine if it's a good purchase or not. So when I go on to eBay, you can type in what the product is up here. Hopefully it, oh man, I wanted to focus for y'all. Dang. But you can type in what the product is up here, and then you can change your filters to select sold. And I can see that almost every day, $9.10, $9.10, $9.9, these things are selling for $34, $39, $35, $45. They are selling, and they are selling every day. So for $5, I'm gonna, because I don't have the box though, these had the box, I'm still gonna try to sell it for maybe $30 because it is still in brand new condition, and it just cost me $5. So alright guys, so I found these. These are some Michael Kors sandals, flip-flops. They're not in too bad a shape. They're selling them for $6. But you can see the sole part is a little dirty, so I'm just wondering if I could possibly clean it. I may give these a go. I'm going to check eBay real quick and to see if they're selling at all. So I didn't really find too much at the Goodwill. I only found the curling iron and those shoes. I had a couple of other items that were decent, but the thing is, they were really big. So one of the keys to selling well on eBay are large ticket items that are small. So, and small because shipping costs much less. So if you have these really large items that cost a lot of money to ship, then you know you're gonna lose some of your profit in shipping. So you want valuable, small, or not necessarily small, but lightweight. So valuable, lightweight items that don't cost a ton of money to ship. So I found a part for an electric grill. Oh, hold on, y'all. Yeah, so I found this part for a gas grill, and they wanted like $9 for it, and I looked it up, and it's selling for like 75 bucks. So that wouldn't have been bad at all, except the piece is so heavy and it's about this huge. So if I would have put it on eBay, and let's just say someone from the West Coast purchased it from me, it would cost a ton of money just to ship. So it's not really worth it. So I'm headed now to pick up Christian from school. I promised him today. I'm sorry I got y'all on top here. Y'all are shaking. I know y'all can probably barely see me because the sun is doing it. But but I'm picking him up from school, and I promised him today that we'll go and get something to eat, like he's been begging for, either Chick-fil-A, or he likes to go to the Gate gas station because we get ices. So he's been begging for ices or Chick-fil-A every day. So today I'm going to take him. Thank you.
Antonio, can you get some balls, please? I'll pick up, put them back in their bag.
Over here.
Thank you, Antonio.
Pick those up.
Bye, Lucas. See you tomorrow.
Get that one too.
Bye, Brianna.
You ready? Hold on, let me get you. A who?
A TV today.
Oh, thank you. Come on. Come here. How was school? What?
Yes.
It was not boring. All right. So I told you we could get something when I picked you up.
What?
So, what do you want to get?
A TV.
A TV? A TV for what?
So we can put it on the room.
A TV for your room?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, well, I wasn't talking about a TV, Fat. I was talking about, like, you want to get something to eat?
Mm-hmm.
What do you want to get?
Icy.
A icy?
Yes.
All right, icy it is. He wants icy. All right, y'all, we at the dollar store because Christian changed his mind. Come on. He said he wants, what do you want?
Ice cream from the cake.
Well, he wants ice cream. Turn around that way. He wants ice cream, so we're going in the dollar store to get ice cream. Plus, mommy got to look for a few things, so. Ooh, that's a lot of ice cream. Wait a minute. Wait, let's look. Let's see what they have. They got Dippin' Dots. Yeah, they got the strawberry shortcake. They got this strawberry one too.
Grandma brought me this one.
Grandma bought you a push pop?
Yeah, no, Grandma brought me that one.
But you know what? I don't see any push pops in there. They don't have them in there.
Let me see.
See, they don't have them in there. It look like they all gone. You know what? You know what? Let's go look in the back. They might have a big box of push pops. Do you want the push pops?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go see if they got a big box. It's this way. Come on. Excuse me. Fine. How you doing? Ice cream. Where are you? How do you do? No. Oh, they do. They got her. Yeah.
I thought you said no.
I didn't see them. Okay, they got them. Go ahead. Get the big box.
No, you
Now you-
got this one last night.
Yeah, but we don't want that one today. Come on, get the big box of push pops. You can share with your brothers.
They go eat on them. Wow,
Let's see. One more. How many in here? 9? 9. That's good.
Daddy can't get one.
Daddy don't need none. Hold that. Yeah, I think I might look and see how many points this will be for me on Weight Watchers. Hold 1 second, please. All right, so we're going to purchase those because they are 4 points for 1 bar. So I went to Lowe's today too because I had to get a few things for the house. And remember I told y'all earlier about my plants I want to put up here. So I found these really cute cherry dianthias, and these hopefully will last. So the issue that I had last time was that I got flowers that only required maybe about 3 to 4 hours of sunlight. So these require direct sunlight pretty much all day, 6+ hours direct sunlight. So they should survive here on my porch. My porch is not, I mean, it's covered underneath, but the sun is still coming in. So hopefully these will work. Also had to get 2 new hanging plants or hanging baskets. Ah, that's gonna look ugly. Oh, that's gonna look so bad. I'm gonna have to get some wet cloth and get that off. But yeah, so I'm gonna hang these up on my porch just to jazz it up and make it look better. Gosh, I came out here so unprepared. Hold on. That is it. My 2 flowers up there. I think they look cute. I want to bring some other elements into the porch just to make it look a little bit better. For right now, that's my little porch.